Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to send message to anyone on Hui application. So Hui by TikTok. So if you have TikTok, then you can easily create your account on Hui. So it's like a Be Real or other instant picture sharing application. So first of all, you need to find the people you are going to send the message. I'm just typing something randomly, maybe something Bieber, and enter. Then you will find all the people named Bieber. So if you have the username, then you will get the specific person. So I'm going to choose the first option, but I'm going to send the message this user. So what you need to do, tap on the add friend, then you will get a send friend request. You can remove the text, or you can type manually hey, and then send. You can write anything you want, and this way you can send message. When they accept, then you can continue talking with them, and you can be friend with them. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.